I love my dog as much as I love you. You may fade and my dog will always come through. All he asks of me is the food to give him strength. All he ever needs is love, and that he knows he'll get. So I love my dog as much as I love you. You may fade, my dog will always come through. Oh, the bay I need comes shining through his eyes. I don't need no cold water to make me realize that I love my dog as much as I love you. But you may fade, my dog will always come through.